In this video, I'll explain why companies are choosing to internalize their video capabilities, why it's important to get proper strategy and production guidance when internalizing video, and what my training services provide. So more and more, I've seen companies need a lot more video assets, which simply isn't economical if you're outsourcing for video. Like, I estimate an average of $4,000 to $6,000 per video is what it can cost you to outsource to agencies or even freelancers. So as well, they may not even know your industry or product. And sometimes they may be too focused on making something that looks good in their portfolio and not about ensuring that your videos have a strategic business objective and an ROI. The good news is I see a lot of companies looking to either hire marketing personnel or who know a bit about video, or tasking video to someone within their existing marketing team. I think that's a very smart move, and while I've consulted and trained many different companies, the common problems that I see are that they have produced video for years or 2 years or something, and they're very much reactively creating videos, but have no way of knowing if they help the business or if they were the right videos to create in the first place. As well, the quality of the video production could be better to help make the videos less distracting and more engaging. They simply feel lost when it comes to video. And maybe this is you. I offer a basic video acceleration program which starts with a session on understanding your buyer journey and when topics can be created specifically for your industry. Then we identify and develop the topics that you should be creating to drive customer demand and increase sales right away. After that, we work on your video production capabilities with gear recommendations and a shoot setup session. Then we shoot your topics, where I give you directing guidance. And next, I guide you through your editing options and review. And then we wrap up by developing a short-term video strategy moving forward. So this program is not a consulting session where you go away and try to do it yourself. I'll work with you hands-on to complete 1 or 2 topics start to finish, so that you leave comfortable and confident in your video production skills, as well as actually have usable videos right away. So in summary, you'll leave the program with a solid video strategy customized to your business and the internal capabilities to produce your videos on your own. So below is a breakdown of the program, and please connect with me if you have any more questions or want to get started.